So Meta out of nowhere has announced the next generation of Meta VR headsets, the Meta Quest 3. And by the looks of it, it is packing tons of improvements compared to its predecessor. We're talking about design changes, spec bumps, as well as significant changes in price. Buckle up as we're going to take a ride through everything new on the Meta Quest 3 and help you decide whether you should go for the upgrade.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Among all the changes that took place on the new Meta Quest headset, the most highlighted one is the price. Quest 3 base variant starts at $500, $100 more than the Quest 2, but this is just the base price difference. And you need to know that Quest 2 went as low as $300, so you need to figure out whether paying that additional $200 will be worth it. For that additional investment, you're getting a next-gen Snapdragon VR chip, which, according to Meta, boasts double the performance compared to the Quest 2's XR2 chip. Apart from that, Quest 3 also brings along a high-res display as well as enhanced camera sensors. Combined, you can expect a more in-depth AR experience with a complete color pass-through. But there's a caveat that you need to know before jumping the gun on the Quest 3. Meta has indicated that a recent software update will bring up CPU and GPU performance by 26 and 19% respectively on the Quest 2 and Quest Pro, so you must take this under consideration before going for the upgrade. Apart from these changes, the design of the Meta Quest 3 has also been revamped. For starters, the headset is comparatively slimmer than the Quest 2, which will make long gaming sessions comfortable. Trust us when we say this, gaming for a longer period with the Quest 2 has been pretty daunting. Quest 3 also welcomes more fabric as opposed to Quest 2's plastic-laden build. Simply put, they have made it more comfortable to wear despite having this amount of spec bumps. So should you go for Meta Quest 3 over Quest 2? In our opinion, the $200 extra is worth investing in. We mean the extra horsepower as well as the comfortable design will definitely be worth it in the long run. But if you decide to stick with the Quest 2, you won't be missing out on much either. The software update is almost here, and the performance bump will meet our VR craving just right. So that was all about the Meta Quest 3 versus Meta Quest 2 debate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.